Well, today we're cooking Thanksgiving dinner. Let's go. So this year I'm doing things just a little bit differently today. I'm actually just going to cook the viral Thanksgiving dinner from Costco. I'm gonna unbox this. Here's the instructions. And not bad, if I have to say. We have the turkey. It's a pretty good sized turkey with the stuffing underneath. It's all pre-seasoned and ready to go. It does say 425 degrees for 20 minutes uncovered. So we're gonna start there. And then right next to it, we have a bit of potatoes here, cranberry, and some green beans. I'm actually gonna cook these separate because I feel like I wanna heat these up really good. So I have another extra pan that I'm gonna spread them out in and cook them that way. It also comes with this packet of gravy. It's poultry gravy, like chicken gravy, and we'll see how it tastes. It's all done and it's out of the oven. Let's look. Here you go, green beans, mashed potatoes, turkey and dressing, stuffing, the gravy that came with the packet as well, and the cranberry sauce. All right, we've got our plate all full of Thanksgiving. I really want to taste this, so let's go ahead and try it out. This is the turkey. It's actually very good. Cooked really well. It's kind of dense and flavorful. It's really good. Here's the stuffing. That's really good. The turkey was sitting on top of it as it was cooking. Hello. Mashed potatoes. Oh, those are good as well. Lots of flavor. Not too salty. Creamy. Very good. The green beans. Perfectly cooked. Very nice. The stuffing isn't overly salty as well. Really good texture, great flavor. This, as far as $36 goes, chef's kiss. Cut, cut, cut.